crap. Damn it. Oh, it's all stuck to the fucking metal. There we go. Alright, let's get her cooked into place. 3, 2. Alright, let's go ahead and secure these posts. Get this bad boy bolted up and tested. Got a lot to do today. Never seem to do it justice, but that's the bottom. That's the top. Let's test it out. This one, unfortunately, we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board. Should have worked, by all means. Everything boots up, all that fine, but no picture still, so there will be a part 2 if possible.